Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set mobile hotspot password for Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. First of all, go to settings of your phone here, then go to connections, then go to mobile hotspot and tethering and click on mobile hotspot, and here click on password option, and here select security and keep the security to WPA2 personal, and here type any password. Here I type the password 12345678. Minimum 8 characters should be used. Okay, it is better to use combination of letters and numbers. Okay, so here I just type Princey 1245. Okay, finally click on save, and this is mobile hotspot password for our phone. Okay, if you would like to later change the password, click on the password and delete the available password and change the password. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.